Hello, you reached Manesh Patel from the EII Capital Group. Today is March 28, 2012. This is our weekly Ichimoku analysis for the futures products where we cover everything from metals to commodities to heating oil to crude oil to natural gas and so forth. This is our normal disclaimer to state this is for education use only. All charts you can see are from Thinkorswim from Thinkorswim from TD Ameritrade, TradeStation, FreeStockCharts.com. Here are my contact details here, and Patel at eiicapital.com, or you could access our heat map, email services, free videos, Twitter, Facebook, everything here from ichimokutrade.com. It's free to register, and you could go from there. Okay, let's go ahead and just begin. Let's just start going through all the futures. Remember, the left-hand side is the daily chart, right-hand side is basically the weekly chart. If you look at futures, let's just start going down the list as we normally do. Cocoa futures really nothing going on in the daily, it's just consolidating. And you can see that from the weekly. Basically, its major resistance level is going to be around 2,400. It's in the trend right now, so believe it or not. It's getting weak and weak, but it does need to undergo a major pullback. A good pullback level will be about 2666 to sit there and hold. If it could hold there, or actually about 2,800, believe it or not. If it could hold there, then that'll be great moving forward. If not, this thing will sit there and keep on taking. So we'll see exactly what happens there, but there's no new trade there right now. Crude oil, as you could see, basically trending as far as the weekly is concerned. It's just kind of hanging around, not pushing forward at all to 115 yet. As you could see that from the daily, had a huge movement up. It's consolidating right now. 103 is basically its major support level moving forward, and of course about 112 is going to be its resistance level going forward. Cotton, this thing had a chance to break down when it got down here, didn't do that at all. It's going up right now. It's going up to its major resistance level here, which is about 94.75. It's got to hold 94.75, bounce off that, and then try to make a move down to break 87. If it does, then this thing can continue to go down. If it breaks the resistance level, then we're going to enter a major pullback as far as cotton is concerned. Then we do have a potential to the upside. Dollar, if you look at it, there's nothing really going on. It's just mixed reviews across the board right now. So it's just consolidating on both time frames, so there's nothing really to talk about on that at all. We'll come back to gold. Feeder cattle, as you can see from the weekly time frame, it's been trending for a while. It's entering a medium pullback right now. Support level is going to be about 149.50. Resistance level is going to be 155. The daily is not looking good at all. It's no trade at all there. Lean hogs, as you can see, it's breaking down to its weak of all the meat here. Resistance support is going to be 82.50. If it could sit there and kind of sit there and hold and set up, both the daily and weekly can be good to set up for a bearish trade, but right now it kind of needs some time to do that. But I think it's at a major support level right now, so it's only going to see exactly what happens here. But this one can be a good one to look at for a bearish opportunity moving forward in the next couple of weeks. Copper, really doing nothing except consolidating at all. It's trying to go bullish, but it hasn't succeeded yet. You're probably looking about 2 or 3 months where momentum can shift to copper to go bullish. Heating oil, pretty much like a double top here, got to resistance, kind of hanging out, still can't break it at all. It's at a critical level right now where it's got to hold 3.1727. If it could hold that and then break the pivot high, which is right around here at 31.65, then this thing can start a trend to the upside long term as far as weekly is concerned, but we gotta wait and see what happens. Coffee is trending on both time frames. This has been a great trade for us. Being great moving downwards, as you can see, still basically in a trend right now. Major support resistance level is going to be 190.90. The support level is going to be 175 moving forward. Lumber, really going on, nothing going on right now. The more it consolidates, more actually long term it has a potential to go on bullish, but right now it's still consolidating, so there's no trade setups at all. Live cattle, as you can see here, we're being trending. We did a little consolidation here. We're at a major support level right now. If we break that, then it's going to enter a major pullback as far as long term is concerned, which is the weekly time frame. Natural gas, You could see still going down, down, down. We're well, very, very low right now. A lot of people thought it can't go lower. Well, guess what? Weekly says it still can, so be careful. It's a little overextended, but hey, remember, great trends are always stay overextended in for a very long time. Orange juice really looks like a trend here on the daily time frame, but the weekly is just one big mess where it's just going back and forth, above the cloud, below the cloud, above the cloud. So definitely stay away from that one. Palladium, nothing really going on right now. Support level is going to be 631. Resistance level is going to be 725, which is pretty much the consolidation range moving forward. Platinum really doing nothing right now. The more it consolidates long term, this is going to get a better chance to sit there and break out to the bullish side. So definitely keep an eye on that, maybe a month or two down the road, but not right now. Gasoline, a lot of people looking at this one is bullish, trending on both time frames. So nothing really to talk about. This thing's been on a tear since the beginning of the year and still hasn't let back up at all. So this thing will sit there and keep on going. It's getting close to its resistance level, which is 3.4, which is going to be very, very hard for it to break. If it doesn't break that, it's going to hold and pretty much go down. Sugar, really nothing going on right now. This thing has a potential of breaking down and starting a long-term trend, but it's got to break 22 in order for the trend to start at all. We're going to come back to sugar there. Sorry, silver. Here's gold. Gold really doing nothing right now, just consolidating. Really, 1710 is the resistance level, and basically 1660 is basically its major support level moving forward. Silver doing the same thing. Nothing really going on as far as silver is concerned. Support is going to be basically around 31. Resistance is going to be around 34, 33 moving forward. Now we're going to get to 30-year Treasury bonds. 30-year Treasury bonds, if you look at it here, it was bullish trending as far as the weekly is concerned. It's entered a major pullback level right now. It's bounced off a major support, which is pretty much right here at 135.05. Major resistance level is going to be basically roughly around 141.09. Minor resistance level is going to be 139.04. If it could sit there, hold the 39.04, and then start going down and break 136.127, this thing does have a chance of sitting there, keep on going lower as far as pullback is concerned, and could possibly reverse everything. Corn, you could see it's really doing nothing on the daily. On the weekly, sentiment's now bearish, and it does have a potential of tanking, so I'll definitely keep an eye on this one. If this thing could sit there and go take its journey down to about 550 and break below there, this thing can sit there, start a major trend to the bearish side, so definitely keep an eye on that one. 5-year Treasury bonds, same thing as the 30, nothing really going on as far as that's concerned. Soybean oil futures, nothing really going on. The daily here is being bullish. Sentiment's just now changing on the weekly time frame, but we're at a major resistance level right now, so we need a healthy pullback and then attempt to sit there and start going higher. Soybean meal is being on a tear. It's basically being bullish, and it's being very, very strong moving forward, so nothing really going on now. It's too late if you haven't entered that already. 10-year Treasury note, same thing as all the other bonds and stuff like that. It's basically trending as far as the weekly is concerned on a major pullback. It's at a major resistance level right now, so it's going to be key to see exactly what happens moving forward. Oats really doing nothing right now. Bullish, starting to bullish trend as far as the daily is concerned, but the weekly is just being torn apart, so nothing really going on there. And soybean futures being basically bullish trending on the daily and trending on the weekly. It needs a pullback right now to be healthy. Wheat futures really just consolidating, so nothing really going on as far as wheat is concerned. That's it for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please follow up and let us know. You could contact me here at these details right there. Thank you.